test drove the Acadia at the Bark Buckle Up event. How did that go?
It was a great drive.
Yeah? How did you like the Acadia overall?
The Acadia was great. It was really comfortable and it was the quietest car for SUV.
Really?
Yeah, I thought it was actually a hybrid because it's so quiet.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's really nice ride.
How was your test drive?
It was great.
What did you think about the Acadia?
It's a beautiful car.
It rides pretty nice as well, huh?
It rides really good.
You drove the Acadia today?
Yeah.
And here at the Bark Buckle Up event at Marvin K Brown GMC. What did you think about the car?
I like the car. Actually, the first thing I noticed when I got in is that it had the GPS had a setting, so when it was in reverse, you could see exactly what was behind you.
Oh, the reverse camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a really nice
Kids
feature.
or dogs or cats, because if you back it up, you don't want to roll over somebody.
No, absolutely. I noticed that feature as well. And these two little guys went through the test drive today?
Yep. She was in the car seat and he was hooked in the back. There's a large one in the back for hooking their leashes or their harnesses in so they can keep them in one place.
Excellent.
Actually, what you liked, I think, for this was the back of the car. Instead of having to pull the back of the car
Oh, the
down.
liftgate, right.
Yeah, you just, I guess, press a
Press a button and
it just closes. Yeah.